Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So let's look at the Bitcoin news in the past week. So first of all, let's look at the Bitcoin price. It's now 60,500. The last 7 days, it's down 1.3%, which seems crazy because the ride we've been on is much more of a roller coaster than these figures suggest. Fear and greed is 55, which is basically neutral. So let's have a look at that Bitcoin ride. So if we look at on a daily chart on Binance, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about 7 days ago, we were at roughly where we are now, kind of thing, a little bit higher, I guess. And you can see that we've about 3 days ago, 4 days ago, we went down to 49,000, and now we bounced back up to where we are now, 60,500. So it's been a crazy ride. And the reason why it's been a crazy ride is basically because Japan. Okay, so what happened with Japan? So Japan basically raised their interest rates. So the Bank of Japan unexpectedly raised interest rates, marking a departure from its 30-year policy of zero interest rates. So what a lot of people were doing is kind of like an arbitrage, or so yeah, it was basically an arbitrage. And as soon as this happened, it meant that people couldn't do this, and they were losing money. So they had to cash in their chips, so to speak. So this sudden change triggered a massive unwind of trades, with investors repaying loans. So they've basically been taking out loans to effectively use this arbitrage, and now it was not there anymore. So they had to repay their loans by selling assets. So selling assets globally, including cryptocurrencies. The Bank of Japan rate hike caused a significant shift in market dynamics, leading to a global sell-off. Japanese investors who had previously used cheap bank money for global investments, including cryptocurrencies, began selling assets to repay loans, contributing to the market decline. Global market contagion. The Japanese stock market plunged 12% drop on August 5th, its worst day in 37 years, triggered a global market downturn with the US stock market, Nasdaq and S&P 500 and other major indices experiencing significant losses. Crypto market impact. As a result of the global market turmoil, the cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, experienced a sharp decline. Bitcoin's price fell 17% from 70,000 to 50,350, leading to a 1.04 billion loss in the crypto market within 24 hours. Okay. Also, we've got the fear of recession as well. So that was Bank of Japan causing all us massive headache. Now, last couple of days, Putin signs law legalizing cryptocurrency mining in Russia. So we've had this for many years. Russian have been banning Bitcoin and unbanning it. It happens all the time. Happens in China and India. But okay, so maybe this is kind of response to Trump saying that he's going to be a sort of center for Bitcoin in the USA, wants all mining to be in USA. So maybe this is Vladimir Putin thinking, right, I want mining over here, okay, rather than Trump having it all. Maybe that's as simple as that. So Russian President Vladimir Putin has officially signed a law that legalizes cryptocurrency mining in Russia. According to a report by Russian news agency TASS, the law introduces several key concepts, including digital currency mining, mining pools, and mining infrastructure operators. Mining activities are now recognized by Russia as part of turnover, rather than the issuance of digital currency. The new legislation specifies that only Russian legal entities and individual entrepreneurs registered with the government will be allowed to engage in cryptocurrency mining. However, individual miners can participate without registration, provided their energy consumption remains within government set limits. So, in other words, if they're not on the grid, then they should be okay. If they've just got like a couple of miners in their back bedroom, I guess. Additionally, the law permits the trading of foreign digital financial assets on Russian blockchain platforms. Um, I don't know what blockchain things they are in Russia, actually. I have no idea what they're called. However, the Bank of Russia retains the authority to ban the placement of certain assets if they're deemed a threat to the country's financial stability. According to TASS, during a recent government meeting, President Putin emphasized Russia needs to seize the moment in establishing a legal framework for digital currencies. He highlighted the potential of digital currencies to contribute to Russia's economic development, stressing the need for proper regulation and infrastructure. So quite clearly, he's trying to get ahead of Trump. The law is set to take effect 10 days after its official publication, except for specific provisions that may have different implementation dates. Okay. So that's it for roughly. That's the main kind of news, I think, for Bitcoin. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are we heading to 100,000 before the end of year? Let me know about that.